you know.
Come down this way.
Yeah, right there.
It appears the sand is not the only place an ostrich buries his head. Watch the camel. You'll see why they switched over to Humvees.
Wait, this is pretty good Halloween next to a party. Guy tried to ride a camel.
Careful, Billy. That monkey used to be in the collection business. It's rather rare to have your bris performed by a pig. When you're hot and tired from running with the bulls, why not go swimming with the bulls? I don't know what you feed a ferret, but it can't be this.
I'll put him on the top of the cage.
Why don't you put him up?
It may be Christmas, but the food chain never takes a day off.
Cute little critter.
He is a cute little critter.